What's up, realist? Welcome to another episode here on the Real Fishing. This is part 2 of the windy day. Make sure you check out episode or part 1 of the windy day trip today. But yeah, today we went out to the creek here. We went out looking for fish, trying to find some stuff. So we just brought our nuggets and whatever else we can find. We're just going to see what we can find out here. Hold on tight. Let's get on the reel and let's go try to catch some fish. Yeah, first bite, first cast. Okay, oh, got off. Got off. All right, go back out there. Second cast. Will we get a bite this time too? Yep. Ah, it's still good. Didn't set the hook good. Did I catch him though? It is tiny if I caught anything. Indeed it is. Attack of the tiny fishes. Alright, that's number 2. Between the tiny fish. Oh, come here. Come here. I'll show you off with one hand. Tell you what, one thing though. It's been sunny today and I didn't put on any sunscreen, so my hands look like they're a little burned. Okay. Cast number 3. Yep, get bit. I think we did catch one though. You guys are relatively small, so they are going to be hard to get in. Reload the worm and get back at it. Bigger chunk of night crawler here. Maybe we'll get a bigger fish. Maybe. There we go. Give him just a little bit longer to get that in there. Now the tiny guy. I think we're getting bigger though. A little bit, not much. A little bit bigger, not a ton, a little bit bigger. All right, weed through all the tiny ones and maybe we'll get a big one. That's the goal. I actually want the wind to help me out here. No, there we go. Another tiny guy. Still teeny tiny. No size yet. No size yet. Little bitty guy. Right, let's go over one more time and then we'll probably try to go under the bridge a little bit and see if anybody bigger's hanging out there. Got another one. Oh, I don't. Just kidding. They're so light that I keep thinking the worm is even a fish. All right. Go do something. Yes, right where I wanted it. Actually, I was on the back side of that pile or whatever there. It's kind of going to be in the dead zone. Oh no, some people biting it. There we go. Another catch, another catch. What did we get? Tiny bluegill. We found the bluegill nursery here. Reset up again. There we go. Another little one. Nice. Keep getting these little ones. No big ones. Just not sure where the big ones are hiding. But we'll keep fishing until we find them. There's so many little fish right there. The emphasis is on little. That's something, I think. Yep. Just the PB smallest of the day. Tiniest. It's close. He's not the smallest though. Not the smallest of this run. Pretty close though. Oop, ow. Make sure you got back to the water instead of hitting a rock. Oh, well. Well, we're gonna clean this up and then I'll move to a different spot, I guess. We got something? Get it, get it, get it. Uh-oh, the biggest one? I don't think it's the biggest one, but it's one. All right, another tiny bluegill. Sweet. Tiny bluegill, see you, buddy. Idea where some might be. See if we can get back to that spot. There we go. Oh goodness, there we go. There's the bigger one we were looking for all day. Oh yeah, it's a shell cracker. He didn't gulp the thing down so we can show him off without having to chuck him in the water right away. There we go. Give me that, give me that. Alrighty, there we go. Now we're leveling up. Nice little shell cracker. Not too big, not too small. So right about 7 inches or so. 6 1/4 muscar, or 7 1/4 muscar there. So right about 7 inches. All right. Now, I figured there had to be something a little bit decent there because of how much it, how quickly that bobber went down. There we go. So getting this worm to go where I want it to is probably going to be the hardest part of all this. What do we get? Bluegill. This guy's up in this creek area. Kind of tiny today. So that one good sized shell cracker so far. It's been our only one of size. So still catching fish nonetheless. So we've got some structure underneath where I'm standing, and there's also structure over there. So I'm going to kind of go over there for now. See if there's anything big. I'll take down that giant chunk of night crawler. We'll see. barber was gone. This little guy was hungry. What do we get? Oh, look at there. Switching up to a large chunk of nightcrawler. Got us our first bass of 2020. No, it's not much, but it is our first bass. Look at there. not even 6 inches long. Wee-hoo! Alrighty, there we go. We caught our first bass of 2022. First bass of 2022. That's wild. Alright, reelers, that's gonna wind it up for today. Guess we stumbled upon the nursery there for a little bit, and also we caught 2022's first bass. It wasn't a big bass, but it was a bass. So awesome day, super windy, but thank you guys for hanging on tight and watching with me. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome, and hold on tight, because we're going to try to use this big old leftover piece of nightcrawler over here in the nursery to see what happens. Get it up there to the level in there. There we go. Last fish of the day. Come here, little tiny fish. You are the final fish of the day. Come here. Final fish of the day. Final fish of the day. That means you get the prize of the nugget. I can give it to you. Eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. That's yours. See you, buddy. Hopefully they keep that.